to today's video. Today it's going to be straight to it, no messing about. We've got the, where is it? We've got a replacement track rod end for the diesel Civic. It's needed replacing pretty much since I got the car. It's all perished, it's clicking, especially going off curbs and tight turns, things like that. So that really does need sorting out. You really are meant to get the car tracked or get alignment after you've got this done. So until I do get the chance to do that, we're going to make sure that we put it on at the same thread, well, as close as possible to the previous one, and we'll show you how we're going to do that. It's me doing this. Harry's here who's going to give me an hand if I struggle, which will be usually very early and very often. So let's get the car in the air, crack on, because I need to get home because it's quiz night, which I've been doing quizzes with the missus once a week starting in lockdown. So and she's enjoying it, so I can't let her down. I get a slap wrist. Let's get on with it. Right, so the car's up in the air now. This is the piece that we're replacing. Look at the state of that. So all that's meant to be rubber bushing in one piece. That like collar that goes around there. The bit that we've got is this outer section here that stops here. So that's going to be the bit of a bugger that we're going to have to try and get loose and get off. But there's also a nut right there that we're going to have to get loose as well. But there's like a pin that goes through that, so we need to release that, this one, that one, and then count the amount of rotations it takes to remove this, so that when we put it on, it's as close as possible to where it was. Well, it's not like an expensive brand, the one that we've got.
Heavy one.
It's
FII.
as long as it works.
You've got a warranty on it.
Well, yeah, well, drop links are still holding out from when we changed them.
So the key thing to mention is that we need to save that nut.
Oh yeah, to tighten up to it, because otherwise it's just going to be a loose.
You don't get new.
No, I've just noticed.
That's why I opened it, to find out how much we have to save.
Yeah.
We get a new split pin for the top.
Oh, brilliant, because that's quite corroded, isn't it, as well? Like a little rusty pin.
It will be, but yeah. So I am going to get some dub gear on it.
Yeah. Get it lubricated and then we can get it off. So what we're going to do, the nut that we need to break off at this end, which clamps up against the track rod end, there's another point further down where you can put a spanner in to keep it there, so we can break it off. So we've got two on there. Fingers crossed, after putting some WD-40 on it, it's going to loosen it up a little bit. But first attempt, let's see how we're going. I'm going to pop a bit more on.
Yeah.
You're a moron.
Won't do any harm.
Sorry.
Won't do any harm.
No.
To you.
To me. You got it?
Oh!
It should go in. I think it's starting it. Because if it has to come away...
It moved slightly, so we'll go like the opposite way.
If it has to come away from it, then it'll have to go that way away from it, won't it?
Yeah, I don't know if it threads onto... Oh, in fact, yeah, of course it does.
Yeah, you got it, yeah?
Yeah.
Get
to you.
Oh, proper hang on it. Yeah.
I went.
We're loose, we've done it.
Right.
Oh, I didn't shut my eyes. So because we've got a replacement pin, we're just literally bending this one out and pulling it out.
Yeah, we don't have to be careful.
We don't have to be careful with it, we don't need to reuse it.
That looks good.
That looks better, doesn't it?
Yeah. Try it again.
Yeah, it's going.
And there you go.
Hey, smoky.
There's the pin.
Oh. Yeah, keep the axle straight for me. Yeah. Oh, I love it, lovely. It's ratcheted and everything. I need one.
Like I say, that is.
I
genuinely would say that's one of the best things I've
It's like the most comfortable breaker bar ever. Drop it. Go on. Go on.
There you go. It should keep going.
Get it right, dab on. It's cool you can use it just like a normal wrench.
Yeah, so if it's too tight for it's off.
So what we're doing is, Harry's just suggested, if we put a little cable tie behind the nut that's the, what kind of...
Captive, no, it's not a captive nut. I don't know.
It's like the
locking
tension.
up.
Yeah, it's like tensioning it up into it.
Yeah.
Put a cable tie behind that. We know then that's the distance where it needs to be, and it will stop it from undoing itself further back up the thread for when we put the other one back on. You're being stubborn. I'll give you some bash then and see what it does.
Don't hit that, you'll mushroom it, you won't be able to do anything with it.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, we've got it. There we go then. Look at that. I'm just going to push it back up so I can actually get the nut off.
There you go, be right there. Spin in because it's a knackered ball joint.
Oh yeah, where you're just going to clamp the bottom of it. God. That's surgery. How many spanners?
I know, right? Yep.
There we go.
It's off.
What have I told you about flossing? Sorry. Easy peasy.
Smooth.
Look at that.
Silky. Do you want to do this?
Bugger it, you've got it. Okay. I'll get the new one. So this is your comparison between your two. This is the new one that's going on with the new nut. Bushing's all absolutely fine, threads are nice. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. Absolutely buggered. No matter it, no wonder why it knocks, and it still handles like a boat. Not that it's just, well, it handles like a boat because it's a CTDI anyway. It's not Type R, but still, it shouldn't be acting the way this makes it act. So that's gonna go in bin. Get it? And that one can go in. I'm gonna put a fancy sound effect that goes. Lovely. Simply lovely. Simply lovely.
Twist it. Thread.
It looks like a boffin, doesn't it?
Fit it.
Fit it. Screw it. Bolt it.
Right. I would suggest we tighten everything up.
That up first.
In fact, you might as well get the nut on it to hold it up.
So we're putting the top nut on first without the pin, just to keep it there, and we'll tighten that up as and when we need to. And then we're going to tighten this back nut up first so that it's up against the track rod end in the similar position to where it was before, tracking wise. Right.
Yeah, then you'll go in that way and I'll pull it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Well, it's up to you, I'll do one.
Yeah, you can grab that if you want.
And then.
It's like playing Twister. There we go. That's as tight as that needs to be, I think.
Cool. Well, you good? That looks tight.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, easy peasy squeeze the lemons, Jill. Nobody knows who that's from. You remember the One Sheet adverts?
One Sheet?
One Sheet does plenty.
Yeah.
The woman in the house, instead of saying she's called Jill. So it's like when he wipes it up, he goes easy peasy squeeze the lemons, Jill, instead of lemon squeeze.
That is a bizarre reference. I'll give you that.
It just stuck in my head, right? Loads, and not one person's ever got it. Right, that's it then. She's on and she's good. Loads easier than we thought it were going to be. Sorry if the video ends up being too short, hence why I might have left a lot of just having conversation in it, just so you ain't got like a 2-minute video. But yeah, not too difficult. I've learnt something today. Hopefully you've learnt something today, and hopefully you've thought, God, that's actually bloody easy. I'm going to do that myself. So, and it's a good thing to check, and it's easy to check if you want to. So now I'm just going to crack the wheel back on, take it out for a drive, and then that'll be that. All sorted, another fix on one of the Civics. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video does come on. If you're new to the channel, which thank you if you have joined lately, a lot of people have joined since we did the taking the Type R out for a good drive video, so thank you all for staying. Plenty more fixes and installs, things like that, all coming through, and hopefully some car shows next year probably, unfortunately. Anyway, until next time guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Just got home and this is my car driving straight. Yeah, and he's tracking.